What if the moon crashed into Earth? It's a question that sparks both fear and curiosity, a scenario that seems straight out of a science fiction movie. The moon, our celestial companion, has graced our night skies for billions of years, a silent guardian watching over us. Its gentle dance with Earth governs our tides and seasons, influencing the very rhythm of life on our planet. But what if that dance turned deadly? What if the moon's steady orbit was disrupted? The moon isn't just hanging in the sky like a static ornament, it's constantly in motion, orbiting our planet at a speed that keeps it from falling in, a delicate balance maintained by gravity. Imagine swinging a ball on a string. The string represents the force of gravity, and the ball's speed keeps it moving in a circle. This is a simple analogy for the moon's orbit. That's similar to how the moon stays in orbit, a constant dance of forces. For the moon to crash into Earth, something drastic would have to happen to slow it down, disrupting this delicate balance. It would require an immense force, something on a cosmic scale, to alter its course so dramatically. Imagine a rogue planet, flung from a distant star system, hurtling through space and colliding with our moon. This is the kind of event that could set such a catastrophe in motion. This impact, though unlikely, would be catastrophic, altering the moon's trajectory. The force of the collision would send the moon careening off its stable path, sending it spiraling towards Earth, a harbinger of doom. And so, the year-long countdown to destruction would begin, a race against time for humanity. The first sign of our impending doom would be subtle, a change in the tides. As the moon draws closer, its gravitational pull on Earth intensifies. Coastal cities would witness higher tides slowly encroaching upon their shores. Low-lying areas would experience flooding, displacing communities and disrupting daily life. Within a month, the moon would appear noticeably larger in the night sky. Its increased brightness would illuminate the darkness, but it would also be a constant reminder of the impending disaster. The tides, now significantly higher, would wreak havoc on coastal populations. Millions would be forced to flee their homes, seeking refuge inland. 2 months in, and panic would grip the world. The global infrastructure would crumble under the weight of constant flooding. Ports, crucial for trade and transportation, would be submerged. Undersea internet cables, the backbone of global communication, would be severed, plunging the world into digital darkness. As the moon continues its descent, its gravitational influence intensifies. The Earth itself begins to feel the strain. Earthquakes, once isolated events, become commonplace. Fault lines buckle under the increased stress, unleashing tremors that shake continents. Volcanoes, dormant for centuries, roar back to life, spewing molten rock and ash into the atmosphere. Section 4. The skies run red. By the 6th month, the moon would dominate the sky, a constant, looming presence. Its gravitational pull would be felt more intensely than ever before, affecting not just the tides, but the very crust of the Earth. Day and night would blend into an eerie twilight, a perpetual state of dim light that would confuse both humans and animals alike. The once familiar lunar phases would be replaced by a terrifying, ever-growing orb, casting an ominous glow over the landscape. The tides, now reaching hundreds of kilometers inland, would reshape continents, swallowing coastal cities and altering the geography of the world. The Earth would be a world in perpetual turmoil, with storms and natural disasters becoming the new norm. The constant gravitational tug-of-war between the Earth and the Moon would trigger unprecedented seismic activity, causing earthquakes that would level entire cities. Volcanic eruptions would darken the skies, shrouding the planet in a thick veil of ash and smoke, blocking out the sun and plunging the world into darkness. The air would become heavy with toxic fumes, making every breath a struggle as humanity fights to survive in this new, harsh reality. Section 5, the day the moon died. In the final month, the moon would be a breathtaking spectacle of destruction. As it reaches the Roche limit, the point at which Earth's gravity overwhelms the moon's own, it begins to disintegrate. Chunks of lunar rock, some the size of mountains, would be ripped apart, forming a terrifying halo of debris around our planet. These fragments, caught in the Earth's gravitational pull, would rain down upon the surface. The night sky would be ablaze with fiery streaks as these lunar meteors bombarded the planet. Those few who survived the previous calamities would witness a final, deadly spectacle. Section 6, and yet life goes on. The immediate aftermath of the Moon's impact would be catastrophic. The collision would unleash energy equivalent to billions of nuclear bombs, causing unimaginable destruction. The Earth's surface would be transformed into a molten wasteland. Rivers of lava would flow, consuming everything in their path. The oceans would boil away, leaving behind a scorched and lifeless desert. The once vibrant marine ecosystems would be reduced to barren expanses of cracked earth. The atmosphere, choked with dust and debris, would plunge the planet into a perpetual twilight. Sunlight would struggle to penetrate the thick, suffocating clouds. But even in the face of such devastation, life is tenacious. A small sprout might push through the cracked earth, a symbol of resilience. Deep beneath the Earth's surface, shielded from the worst of the apocalypse, extremophiles, organisms that thrive in the harshest environments, might endure. These resilient life forms could survive the extreme heat and pressure, and over eons, life could find a way to reclaim this shattered world. Nature has an incredible ability to regenerate, even from the most desolate conditions. Whether humanity could survive such an event is uncertain. Our advanced technology and adaptability might give us a fighting chance, but the challenges would be immense. The Moon's demise would be a stark reminder of our place in the universe, a small, fragile species at the mercy of cosmic forces far beyond our control. It would highlight the delicate balance that sustains life on our planet. Yet it would also be a testament to the resilience of life itself. Life has a remarkable ability to adapt and endure, even in the face of overwhelming odds. Even in the face of unimaginable destruction, life, in some form, would find a way to go on. The tenacity of life is a powerful force, capable of overcoming the most extreme challenges.